The idea is that we present a series of ideas, basically. It can be early research, it can be industrial applications, it can be thoughts about blockchain in relation to construction, etc. And then we have a discussion later on. What we are trying to do is to, because the Construction Blockchain Conference is not a peer-reviewed conference, and is not an academic conference, we generally ask our members and strategic partners to present what they are doing in the industry, and our academic collaborators to present what they are doing in academia. So what we would like to do is to mimic a kind of a paper-based conference, a conference where people publish papers and they present their research. But we're doing it in a much more informal way. So it's literally lots of quick-fire ideas and seeing if we can use this to get the community interested and motivated, but also to spot potential areas we can act on.